Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pie rare. To create a truly unique pie, begin by thinking beyond traditional recipes. Consider unusual flavor pairings and incorporate ingredients that surprise and delight. Focus on both taste and presentation to elevate your creation. We will explore innovative fillings, creative crust designs, and essential baking tips to help you achieve a truly memorable dessert. For a truly rare pie, dare to mix sweet and savory. Imagine a pear and blue cheese pie or a sweet potato pie with a hint of rosemary. Don't shy away from spices like cardamom or star anise in fruit fillings. Exploring less common fruits, such as quince or persimmon, can also set your pie apart, offering a delightful and unexpected experience. The crust is your canvas for making a pie truly rare. Move beyond a simple top crust by trying intricate lattice patterns, delicate leaf cutouts, or a beautifully braided edge. You can even tint your dough with natural colors from beet juice or spinach powder for a vibrant look. A visually stunning pie is often the most memorable. Achieving a rare pie also means perfecting the bake. Ensure your pie is baked to a beautiful golden brown, indicating a perfectly cooked crust and filling. Patience is key. Let it cool completely for at least 2 hours before slicing to allow the filling to set properly. This ensures clean cuts and the best flavor. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.